Tires are one of the most important parts of a vehicle, as they are the only component that comes in direct contact with the road. They play a crucial role in the vehicle's overall performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. However, tires do not last forever and will eventually wear out over time, necessitating their replacement. In this article, we will explore the question of how long do tires last and what factors affect their lifespan. Section 1. Tire lifespan. On average, tires can last anywhere from 25,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on various factors such as driving habits, road conditions, and maintenance. The life of a tire is measured in miles, and once a tire reaches its maximum mileage, it is recommended to replace it. However, some tires may wear out sooner than expected due to various factors. Section 2. Factors that affect tire lifespan. 2.1. Driving habits. The way a driver operates their vehicle has a significant impact on the life of the tires. Aggressive driving such as sudden stops, quick acceleration, and high-speed driving can cause tires to wear out faster. Therefore, it is important to adopt a smooth and steady driving style to extend the life of the tires. 2.2. Road conditions. Road conditions can also affect the life of a tire. Driving on rough roads, potholes, and uneven surfaces can cause the tire to wear out quickly. Therefore, it is important to avoid these conditions whenever possible to extend the life of the tires. 2.3. Climate. Climate plays a crucial role in the life of a tire. Extreme temperatures, either hot or cold, can cause tires to wear out faster than normal. It is recommended to use different types of tires depending on the season to ensure they last longer. 2.4. Maintenance. Proper maintenance of tires is essential for their longevity. Regular tire rotation, balancing, and alignment can help extend their life. Also, keeping tires properly inflated and checking for signs of wear and tear can help prevent premature tire failure. Section 3. Signs of tire wear. It is important to keep an eye out for signs of wear and tear on tires to determine when they need replacement. Some common signs of tire wear include uneven tread wear, cracks on the sidewall, bulges or blisters on the tire surface, low tread depth, vibration while driving. Section 4. When to replace tires. It is recommended to replace tires when they have reached their maximum mileage or if there are signs of significant wear and tear. In addition, if a tire has been damaged or punctured, it may need to be replaced immediately. Section 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, the lifespan of a tire can vary depending on various factors such as driving habits, road conditions, climate, and maintenance. It is important to keep an eye out for signs of wear and tear on tires to determine when they need replacement. Proper maintenance can help extend the life of tires, but eventually, all tires will need to be replaced to ensure safety and optimal performance of the vehicle.